Hey guys, what is up today? And my name's Cormor, and today is part 2 on the Luke Chinese quad build. So for part 2, we're doing the engine, and it's a bit snowy because I had to leave it outside, but this engine is as good as any other one. There's a couple parts to it. Bad. Now originally I was going to scrap on the whole quad build, but I was like, might as well do something for it, and we're gonna rebuild the whole entire engine. So let's do it. All right, so first we're gonna wipe everything down because I want to keep this as organized as possible. I'll catch you back when it's all wiped down. Okay, so we got it cracked open. Got this open now, and it's meant for, it's like kind of clean, but all I want to do is use this open. Okay. Drained all the oil, so obviously there's no oil in it, but that's good. Look at that. Perfect. That's what we wanted to see. A+ on that. Let's go. All right, I'm gonna take these off and show you what's underneath. Okay, so now we're sitting down, and we almost got this off. This other part right here, just pull it off here. So long, I just get mad. Alright, we got it off. Ready? Here we go. Ooh, body. That is not good. Oh my gosh. It doesn't look too bad. It's very bad, but I'm gonna have to be replacing a whole bunch of gaskets or whatever they're called. Ooh, wait. Hey, it's not locked up. I mean, it's not doing good. Wait, there we go. That was a problem. Hold on. Let's just put this gear on this timing chain and act like it's a gear. Look at that! The piston's moving. That's backwards. Everything's moving. I don't know if it's kind of hard. It's kind of hard to push it go forward, but maybe that's the reason. Yeah, the piston's moving good. That's an A+ right there. What I want to do, I need to take everything out again, and then once this is off right here, I'll catch back to you, and we'll start cleaning all the things up. So, I'm with the engine now, and what you need for this part right here, you need a flywheel puller. Here, I'll get up in it. You need a flywheel puller, and I don't have one right now, but maybe I can ask my neighbor or order one if I have to. But I can't really do anything from now on. I will go up and wash all the things down, and maybe wash more of the engine. But for right now, I can't do anything. But it is moving freely. I'll show you. Right, it's moving. Hold on. Gotta put this on. All right, it's moving freely. Or it was. There it is. I'll show you how it spins freely. Other way too. Yeah, it spins freely. That's good. So I can't do anything right now, but I'll order a flywheel, get a flywheel, clean up the bolts. But for now, if you have not already, please like and subscribe. Catch you on the next one.